Welcome to the exciting world of Forex trading. Today, we'll guide you step by step on how to start a Forex trading business right here in the USA. Imagine diving into the dynamic and global sphere of currency exchange, where you can tap into the potential of this lucrative business opportunity. The beauty of Forex trading lies in its flexibility, allowing you to operate from anywhere at any time. Are you ready to embark on this journey? Let's delve into the steps to launching your Forex trading business in the USA. Step 1. Do your market research and planning. It's crucial to understand the Forex market before diving in. The world of Forex, or foreign exchange, is all about currency trading. It's a global marketplace, trading 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This means there's always a market open somewhere in the world, offering opportunities for profit, but also posing risks. In this vast and volatile market, knowledge is power. Begin by understanding the basics of Forex trading. Learn about currency pairs, pips, leverage, and margins. Familiarize yourself with trading platforms, charts, and indicators. Take the time to delve into macroeconomic factors that influence currency values, such as interest rates, inflation, and political stability. Next, explore trading strategies. Some traders prefer technical analysis, using charts and mathematical indicators to predict future price movements. Others favor fundamental analysis, focusing on economic data and news events. Many use a combination of both. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, so find a strategy that aligns with your goals, risk tolerance, and available time. Speaking of risk, let's talk about risk management. In Forex trading, the potential for profit is often mirrored by the potential for loss. Implementing a strong risk management strategy is vital. This could involve setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, diversifying your portfolio, or only risking a small percentage of your capital on any single trade. Finally, create a business plan. This should outline your trading strategy, risk management approach, and financial goals. It should also include a budget for startup costs, such as forming an LLC, obtaining an EIN, and funding your trading account. A well-structured business plan can serve as a roadmap, guiding your trading decisions and helping you stay focused on your long-term goals. With a solid plan and a clear understanding of the market, you're ready for the next step, setting up your business legally. Now, on to the legalities. We recommend setting up an LLC or limited liability company for your Forex trading business, and the good folks at Taylor Brands can help you with this process. Why an LLC, you might ask? Well, it's all about protecting yourself and your assets. By forming an LLC, you create a legal separation between your personal assets and your business operations. This means if anything goes south in your business, your personal assets like your home or car are shielded from any potential liabilities. The process of forming an LLC is straightforward. First, you'll need to choose a unique name for your LLC. Make sure it's a name that resonates with your business and its values. Next, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization with the state where your business will be located. These documents outline the basics of your business, such as its purpose, members, and management structure. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds like a lot of paperwork. And you're right, it can be. But that's where Taylor Brands comes in. They can streamline the process, handling the paperwork, and ensuring everything is filed correctly. Once your LLC is officially formed, you'll need an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of the LLC. It's not always required by law, but it's a good idea to have one to prevent any future disputes among members. And here's the cherry on top. Forming an LLC also comes with tax benefits. You can choose how you want your LLC to be taxed, either as a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or a corporation. This flexibility allows you to choose the most beneficial tax structure for your Forex trading business. To recap, forming an LLC provides you with legal protection, shields your personal assets, offers tax benefits, and gives your business a more professional image. And remember, Taylor Brands can make the process of forming an LLC a breeze. An LLC can provide you with legal protection and tax benefits. Once you have your LLC set up, it's time to move on to acquiring an employer identification number. An EIN is crucial for your Forex trading business. Again, Taylor Brands can assist you in obtaining one. The employer identification number, or EIN, is like a social security number for your business. It is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service and is used to identify your business for tax purposes. Obtaining an EIN is a straightforward process and can be done online. You fill out the necessary application on the IRS website, and in most cases, you will receive your EIN immediately. However, if you're feeling overwhelmed by the process or simply want to ensure everything is done correctly, Taylor Brands can help. This service is an excellent resource for entrepreneurs, offering assistance in obtaining an EIN, among other things. With an EIN, you can open a business bank account, hire employees if needed, and file taxes. Now, you're ready for the next step, opening a Forex trading account. Now that your business is legally set up, it's time to open a Forex trading account. This step is crucial, as your trading account is your direct link to the Forex market, and choosing a reputable broker is the key to a successful trading experience. The process of opening a Forex trading account is relatively straightforward. It usually involves an online application, where you'll be asked to provide some personal and financial information. This could include your name, address, employment details, and an estimate of your net worth or annual income. You'll also need to answer some questions about your trading experience and risk tolerance to ensure that Forex trading is suitable for you. Choosing a reputable broker is equally important. A good broker should be regulated by a recognized financial authority, such as the National Futures Association or the Commodity Futures Trading Commission in the United States. They should also have a robust trading platform, competitive spreads, and excellent customer service. Remember, your broker is your partner in trading, so choose wisely. Additionally, consider the broker's deposit and withdrawal policies. It's important that you're able to fund your account easily and withdraw your profits when necessary. Some brokers offer various funding options, including bank transfers, credit cards, and even digital wallets, so choose a broker that best fits your needs. Moreover, look at the broker's product offering. If you plan to trade a variety of currency pairs, ensure your broker offers those pairs. Some brokers offer additional products like commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies, which can be an added advantage if you want to diversify your trading portfolio. Lastly, consider the broker's trading platform. It should be user-friendly, with a range of tools and features to help you analyze the market and make informed trading decisions. Some brokers offer demo accounts where you can practice trading with virtual money before risking your own capital. A Forex trading account is your gateway to the Forex market. Now, let's look at the final step: compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. The final step is ensuring compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. This is not just a box to be checked, but a necessary stride towards the protection and credibility of your business. Compliance helps to safeguard your business from potential pitfalls and legal troubles, and it also builds trust among your clients, which is key in the Forex trading world. In the United States, Forex trading is regulated by two main bodies: the National Futures Association, NFA, and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC. These are the watchdogs of the industry, ensuring that all Forex brokers operate in a fair, transparent, and ethical manner. To stay compliant, there are a few essential steps that your business needs to follow. Firstly, your business must be registered with the NFA and CFTC. This involves submitting necessary documents, paying registration fees, and passing a proficiency examination. Secondly, your business should maintain a certain minimum net capital requirement as determined by the regulators to ensure financial stability. This requirement is designed to protect your clients and the market from potential financial risks. Thirdly, your business must adhere to a set of strict operational standards, such as maintaining accurate records, conducting regular audits, and implementing effective risk management procedures. These standards are put in place to ensure fair dealings and to protect the interests of your clients. And lastly, you must ensure that your business follows all anti-money laundering regulations. This involves implementing procedures to identify and report suspicious activities and to prevent illegal transactions. Remember, these are just the basics. Compliance can be a complex area, and it's always a good idea to seek professional advice to ensure you're on the right side of the law. By ensuring compliance, you protect your business and your clients. Now let's summarize the steps to starting a Forex trading business. So, to recap, starting a Forex trading business in the USA involves these key steps. Begin with thorough market research and planning. Next, form an LLC, a process made simpler with Taylor Brands Company. Then, secure an employer identification number or EIN. Following this, open your own Forex trading account. Lastly, ensure all compliance and regulatory requirements are met. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting a Forex trading business in the USA. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, knowledge is power, and with these steps, you're well on your way to launching a successful Forex trading business. Good luck.